Yeah, what it is, homie? What it is, cuz? Yeah. Listen, it's time for McHenry's meal of the day. What we got here is a chicken leg. Well, that's morbid. Dude, I'm a meat eater, yeah. We got some pasta roni, and we got some corn. Yeah, let's taste this. Come on, baby. Mmm. 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 Not too shabby. Hopefully the chicken ain't too chewy. I'm not a fan of store-bought chicken. Although I will have chicken and Taco Bell burritos or Del Taco or something like that, or KFC. So yeah. Till next time, remember, McHenry Cruiser is YouTube. Boom.